Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Git for version control, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your terminal or command prompt.
Check if Git is installed by typing Git version. If Git is not installed, download it from the official Git website. Once installed, configure your username with the command git config global user.name your name.
Next, set your email address using git config global user.email your.email at example.com. Create a new directory for your project by using dir project name. Change into that directory with cd project name.
Initialize a new Git repository by typing Git in it. Create a new file in your project directory, for example, touchfile.txt.
Add this file to the staging area with git add file.txt. You can also add all files in the directory using git add.
Commit your changes using the command git commit m initial commit.
To check the status of your repository, type git status. To view your commit history, use git log. If you need to make changes, edit your file and save it. Stage your changes again with git add file.txt.
Then, commit these changes with a descriptive message like git commit m updated file.txt. To create a new branch, type git branch name.
Switch to the new branch using git checkout branch name.
You can now make changes in this branch without affecting the main branch. To merge changes back to the main branch, switch back using git checkout main.
Then, merge your branch with git merge branch name. To share your repository, consider using platforms like GitHub. Create a repository on GitHub. Connect your local repository to GitHub with git remote add origin https://github.com/username/repo.git single quote. Push your changes to GitHub using git push you origin main. You have now successfully used Git for version control.
Explore additional commands like git branch, git checkout, and git pull to enhance your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.